Dealing with the ArcGIS Runtime Library DLL error in Esri app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. As we prepare to fix ArcGIS Runtime Library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the ArcGIS Runtime Library, the core execution library for the Esri ArcGIS Runtime SDK. It manages the 2D and 3D map rendering and localized spatial analysis for specialized GIS applications. If missing, engineering or geography software will fail to load map data, citing an ArcGIS runtime initialization failure. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software suite. Download and reinstall the latest version of Esri to restore the ArcGIS Runtime Library DLL library without risking system instability. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including ArcGIS Runtime Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for ArcGIS Runtime Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for ArcGIS Runtime Library. If this fix repaired ArcGIS Runtime Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.